Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make Zeppole di San Giuseppe. This is a pastry that is made on March 19, which is Italian Father's Day. To start making the pastry cream, heat the milk with the lemon zest on low heat. Whisk the yolks and the sugar and add the cornstarch. Mix everything together until creamy. Add the hot milk to the yolk mixture and return to the pan. It is ready when it coats the back of a spoon. Add butter to the hot cream and whisk until combined. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. To make the zeppole dough, bring the water with the butter and the lemon zest to a boil. Add the flour all at once. Mix everything together until the dough pulls away from the pan. Beat in the eggs one at a time until the mixture comes together. Place the dough in a piping bag and form a small nest about 2.5 inches wide. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Let them cool and cut them in half. Fill them with the pastry cream. Add more pastry cream on the top and decorate with powdered sugar and amarena cherries. Let's try. So good. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.